Halloween 2009. Carolyn. Carolyn is Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Bri, oh Bri, you took your hat. You took your. Bri, stay there. Bri, you're a Bri is a garden gnome. And Lil is a Barbie cheerleader.
Right. Your building's taller than your home. There's only 2-story buildings. Mommy! Brooklyn Heights, when she's on Pier Pond. Mommy, where's my glow stick? Oh, it's It's so funny because that's the one thing everyone wants to do. Don't ask how many pieces you get. Angel, woohoo!
Michelle, we have to do a pumpkin like that.
So excited. I love this. It's like awesome.
Let's get all this stuff.
River. Run. Run.
I think that's more trick-or-treaters than we have. Okay. That's 2 more houses.
Theo, how old's Lena now? Thank you.
Everybody say Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
This is great. Hi, Bri.
No, it's not a haunted house.
Alright.
No, they just have some decorations. It's not a haunted house.
And Alexis, you want some help?
That is scary, huh?
I don't think he was out here later last year.
Oh, don't be scared. It's Halloween. Everyone's in costume. This is a light just like the light we have, right? It doesn't look we're all together and
Hey,
nothing to be afraid of.
these are just decorations. These are cute.
Sorry, Anna.
This is a very scary house.
Look at my
It is. Yeah.